Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add materials to your voice recording on the Adobe Illustrator application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the create button down below, which is the second option, and tap on the create button within microphone creations, and then start your audio recording by tapping on the red button down below. Then start speaking and click on the pause button down below, and then click on materials next to audio down below or at the bottom of the page. Here you can take a picture or direct your phone to the object that you want to capture. Tap on the white button to take a picture. So here you have your material. You can set the roughness of the picture, detail. Here you can see how it changes, and you can add these adjustments. You can also set the shape of it down below. Here you have 5 shapes you can choose from, and you can also crop the picture. And if you are done, you can tap on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen, and then it will be added to your audio recording, as you can see. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.